This is the best swing trading strategy on TradingView, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got a perfect win rate over 100 trades. And spend almost no time on the chart. Hit the like button if you learned something, and let's get straight into the video. Let's open up TradingView.com. Today we are going to add two free indicators that I have found that work so well together to give amazing trading signals time after time. Let's get both of these indicators added and show you how we can take trades with them with a high win rate strategy. Open up the community scripts section. For the first indicator, let's search breaker blocks with signals by Lux Algo. Add it to your chart, and the final indicator we need is a moving average. Search it and add TradingView's default option. If you can't find it, then just add a smoothed moving average indicator. For the moving average, open the settings and change the input length to 44. Change the color if you like, but that's everything we need to do for the simple beginner friendly swing trading strategy. So let's take a closer look at the chart and let me show you exactly how to take trades. For this strategy to work, we will be focusing on the 1 day chart. This means that every candle represents 1 day. Now don't worry if you want to trade more often, simply just trade multiple markets and you should be able to enter a few trading positions a week. But what also makes this strategy so good is all the free time it provides, meaning that you can work on other things. But do what works for you. And just before I show you how to add it, let me show you why FLUX CHARTS is the best in the business. They wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. FLUX CHARTS has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to FLUX CHARTS for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so the entry rules for this strategy are very simple. We will be using the two free indicators to determine trades. One will provide a calculated entry signal with dedicated take profit locations, and the other will confirm the trade is valid. For entry, step 1 is to watch for an entry signal to paint on the chart. That's the red or green triangle label. For step 2, we need to make sure that price is on the correct side of the moving average that validates the buy or sell signal. For a buy or long position, we need to see price above the moving average line and a buy label paint at the point of candle close. The same goes for a sell, but this time it's just below with a sell label. From here we can enter the trade, place a stop loss at the latest swing low or at the moving average level directly below the signal candle. Now for a take profit, we are going to be using the PD array zones. Your take profit should be set at these lines. Price has a good chance of meeting resistance or higher trade activity at these zones, so it's safer to avoid them and will prevent reversals. With these lines, we will also usually see a healthy risk to reward ratio too. Okay, so I'm now going to show you the results for 100 trades taken with this exact strategy on the daily chart. Please hit the like button if you've enjoyed so far, and leave a supporting comment so we can reach 20,000 subscribers. And here we can see the results for 100 trades. We started with a balance of $100, and across the trades we did 67 winners and 33 losers, resulting in a gain of 272% and a very healthy 67% win rate on the account overall. Awesome to see these kind of results. If you're looking for a strategy with higher results or a strategy with a higher win rate, then one of these two videos right here will be perfect for you. So please do check one out. And if you have any indicators you want me to test. But thank you very much for watching today's video. My name is Mo, and I will see all of you lovely people in the next one.